My name is Bana and I run the Instagram account Banacured, and I am the nail artist for the OPI Lisbon collection. So I started doing nails when I was about 12 years old, and it became a hobby. After college, I decided to start an Instagram account that kind of blew up and got a little bit popular. I decided to turn it into a career, so I got my manicuring license, and now I work with OPI. When OPI asked me to come to Lisbon, I just felt extremely grateful that they wanted to work with me and that they wanted to bring me along with them. We didn't want to do anything really too touristy. We wanted to just kind of get a look at what everyone was doing, pull some inspiration, and I think that the Lisbon collection expresses Lisbon to a T. From the floor to the walls to the sky, the architecture, and the people. It was really easy to pull inspiration and create these 4 looks. For the Tell Me About It design, I took inspiration from the wall art that I saw all over the place, and there was so many blues and yellows. My next look was inspired by the floor, which sounds a little strange, but there's so much tile and design on the floors of Lisbon. The Red Roof Sunset design was really inspired by the sunsets of Lisbon. No matter what our day was like, the sunset was always beautiful. The 4th design was inspired by this big red door that leads to the St. George Castle on this really big hill in Lisbon. The walk up the hill is so tiring, but then you get to this big red door, and that's kind of how you know that you're at the castle. I really hope that you all enjoyed my designs. I hope that you look at them and think of Lisbon. Feel free to tag me and OPI when you recreate them.